Ballard Products is going to bring you a new product, fairly inexpensive, easy way to keep your blade sharpened, consistent. If you guys got a bench grinder, most guys already have a bench grinder. The Blade Assist mounts right underneath your existing bench grinder. It's got the adjustable arm on it right here. It's got the poly on top, just allows you to slide the blades back and forth right here, keeping it sharp, keeping it consistent. This thing's going to be less than $100 for you guys that are sharpening 10, 15, 20 blades a week. Or even a month. Just a great way to keep those blades sharpened. Again, mounts on any existing bench grinder, 1/4 horsepower and up. You're going to be able to keep that blade sharp. It's adjustable from 30 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees. We recommend 30 to 35 degrees is the right angle on a blade. We had this product out for many, many years in the early 2000s, sold a lot of them. People that made it shut down, so we brought this back to you guys. Blade Assist is going to be available probably January, for sure by February. Not on the website yet, but let us know what you think. We'll have it available. Again, less than $100. You'll have a great, inexpensive way to keep your blades sharp and consistent. Ballard-Inc.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.